How to remove the Citroen C5 glove box / glove box lid. Please keep in mind Australia is left-hand drive with the steering wheel on the right. This process might be null and void for countries that are right-hand drive with the steering wheel on the left. If you want to remove the glove box lid only, skip to 2 minutes and you will see how to remove the glove box lid only. Otherwise, if you want to remove the glove box completely, please follow the video. Starting off, we'll remove this cover on the inside, and there's 2 torque screws on the side over here that you'll need to remove. Next, we will remove the courtesy light. On that side, there's a clip, so you'll need to have like a hook tool and unclip that side of the courtesy light and then unplug the courtesy light. On the inside to the back of the glove box, there is a torque screw that you need to remove. To the top over here, there are also 3 torque screws that you will need to remove on the inside of the glove box. Go ahead and remove all 3 of these torque screws. I do apologize for the blur on the recording. On the side, there is a cover over here. We will remove this cover. And then next, on the inside to the top, we'll remove this piece here by unscrewing. And then there's also another torque screw to the side of this piece over here. To remove the glove box lid, there is these white locating pins that you will need to remove in order to remove the glove box lid. So to do this, to the bottom there is a cover. Turn these to the left or anti-clockwise. There's 2 of these that hold this cover in place and 1 clip to the side. On that side over here, this is the clip. So you just need to press onto it like this. And we will remove this cover over here by removing this torque screw, and then you can slide this cover out of place. Now you can see these white clips. You'll need to pull these with your finger or with a flathead metal screwdriver. Pull them, and then you'll need to turn them either to the left or the right. It's hard to explain, but so pull it out. These pins are the things that actually hold the glove box lid in place. So when you pull it out like that and then turn it, and you can actually pull these out of place. There's 2 of these white locating pins that lock the glove box lid into position. And then you'll do the same thing for the other locating pin. And then open the glove box lid and it will come out of place. That's how the locating pins go in, the white ones. And to remove the remainder of the glove box, you need to remove the glove box lid in order to remove these 3 torque screws that just sit behind the bottom of the glove box lid. And then once you remove these torque screws, you can pull the glove box out of place. And the only thing you need to do is unplug this dead plug. And then the glove box is completely out of place. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.